First ice fish of the season. Ooh, get in here. Little bass, we'll take it. Nice. Ah, another bass. Oh, that's a lot bigger one. Hey, stupid. Too funny. Well, it's 2 bass. I don't know. I don't have the answers. I wish I did. We're market fish, but they ain't biting. So, we already moved once. Ice is a lot thinner over here. I mean, it's probably 4 inches, 3.5, 4. So when it starts popping and cracking, it makes me pucker a little bit. But I was hoping to get on some perch, but it just doesn't seem to be an option today. So keep playing the game. Oh, you son of a bitch. Finally had a flag. Just a little northern. I don't know. I don't know what the answer is. We've tried everything. We've tried everything here. We just cannot get any bites. And I knew this was going to happen. I said it yesterday. With that cold front that came in, I knew it was going to be tough. first panfish through the ice. How about that? Uh-oh. Need some gills. I think we'll keep you. Ah, he got off. Oh no, he didn't. Now we're getting somewhere. That's a better one there. Much better one. Yeah, baby. Now we're getting somewhere. Nope. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got him. Oh, he's another nice one. Another nice one. I mean, they're not monsters, but they're eatable. And I don't have any bluegills in my freezer, so we're taking them. Well, we're 5 hours in. I don't know how much longer we're gonna stay, so we might wrap it up here and do some shopping. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Alright, so it's 12:30. We're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna call it a day. Get out of here. We ended up with 2 bass, 1 pike, 3 bluegills. So probably better than I thought we would do with how cold it was this morning. It was -7 when I left the house. So did better than I thought we would. I'll pack this up and call it a day.